Welcome to Pallas-Yllästunturin National Park. My name is Satu and I'm working here in Lapland Nature Center. We have some 26,000 visitors per year, and they mainly are Finnish people, but also quite many comes from abroad. This is the center of Metsähallitus, and same kind of centers we have 20 in Finland, maybe more. They are because of people who want recreation from nature, and also for the local people who need different kinds of licenses and information on nature and trails and so on. Our main exhibition is telling about Sami life in olden days, and at the same time also from the nature. We also have some more exhibitions from the history of tourism, and then something for children too. And they are very interesting ones. There is information on Sami life in olden days, and then the northern nature comes with the culture. If you like to go, for example, to the national park, to Hettapallas Trail, you need to book the cabins, or you can go without booking for those open cabins, but then you can't be sure that you have sites. But if you book the cabin, you are sure that you have site there and you only go there and sleep at night. I hope you enjoy to visit in Pallas-Yllästunturin National Park and Lapland Nature Center.
Täällä sanotaan petyniä.